What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at some pegboards that you can use for your gaming setup or your studio setup or office. So this is going to be something that's going to help you organize your space, your accessories, make it look a lot more modern, give it a nice tech look. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is going to be by PegZone, by the way, and take a look and see what's in here. All right, so once you open up the box, the first thing that you see is going to be the user manual. So this is going to help you get these pegs organized, show you how to mount them, all that good stuff. And these packages are going to be some different type of holders. So whether you have earphones or your keyboards or gaming controllers, you'll be able to mount these on the boards. And you get 7 of these holders. That way you'll be able to hold multiple accessories. And in this box, you get all of your mounting hardware. This is really cool because I didn't think that they would actually provide you with a various amount of screws and anchors. That way you can get your pegboards mounted on any type of wall, whether it's going to be wood or it's going to be drywall. So you also have the hardware to help you get set up. And last, we have the main pieces of the setup, which is going to be the pegboards. So these are going to be made of a nice, thick, durable plastic. They come in multiple colors. So you have black and white here, and also there's a red option. In this particular setup, this is going to be a 14-piece setup. So it's going to be the bigger version of the pegboards. They also have a 7-piece setup, and they also have some desk setups for you. So therefore, there are various size options for you to go with. So let's get a close-up on these pegboards, so that way you can see the way it looks. So now that we know what's in the kit, let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, guys, so that's going to be the 14-piece pegboard setup from PegZone. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.